Hello friends, we are gonna see the XLOOKUP. In that we want to output the result for a non-continuous columns. Let's understand the data first. We have a data of students and name, score, special subject, result of a student and their color of the student. Now in this case we want to find out the special subject and their favorite color of the each students mentioned here using the XLOOKUP. Now XLOOKUP can give us all the answers for that particular students, but here our objective is we want to find out a special subject and favorite color. Now both are non-continuous range. We can get the result for the continuous range, but here both these columns are non-adjacent columns. So we want to create a formula for a non-adjacent columns as an output. Let's see how we can do it. As we know, XLOOKUP is a array formula and it will return an array. First, we will write an XLOOKUP formula for all the columns. Then from that, whatever required columns we want, we can filter out that column. Let's see how. First, we'll create the XLOOKUP formula for all the available columns. XLOOKUP, lookup value is Tanvi. My lookup array, control shift down, is this. I'll fix the range because I want to copy down my formula. So I do not want to move it. So I'll fix the range pressing F4 key. Then my return array is, first I'll select all the available columns. Now when I will fix the range and complete my formula. Now you can see that when I enter my formula, I am getting all the 4 columns for that particular value. For Tanvi, here is a Tanvi, I am getting all 4 columns. I want a specific column, that is special subject and color. I can enclose this complete formula in a filter formula, and the XLOOKUP output will become my array, and as a criteria part I am including whichever column I want. I will put for that column 1, and the column that I want to skip I will put a 0. I do not want score, so I will put 0. I want special subject, yes, so I'll put 1. I do not want result, and I want a color. So I'll put that in a curly bracket and I complete my filter formula. What it will do, this will filter out my columns and it will only output my required columns. Now I have a required special subject and color column for Tanvi. I can copy down my formula and you can see the filter range is giving a spill result in a 2 column. Every filter formula is giving me a spill result in a 2 column. This way we can have a non-continuous output using a XLOOKUP formula. Thank you very much.